points by Light. 3 points. Not good. Oh, the ball is out. Bola sa All-Star. Or sa Light. Dribble number 9. Pass number 12. Pass number 15. Oh, honey. Good shot by number 15. Oh, number 12 rebound. Dribble. Number 12 sa Light. Number 9. Pass to number 18. Number 18 dribble. Dribble number 18. Oh. Oi. Last touch by Sharp.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Bola pa rin sa Light. Mayroong foul. Oh, 2 action, 2 free throws. Number first in foul under. First throw by Light. Not good. Last throw rebound. Number 18 sa Light. Only one shot. Number 13 dribble. Pass to number 29. Dribble. 29 dribble. Pass to number 36. Dribble. Pass to number 29. Tobera. Not good. Rebound by number 18. Tapan. Number 9. 29. Dribble. Oh, number sa number 9. Dribble. Oh. Counter it. Foul number 12 sa Light. Yours. Oh, bonus throw. Pasok sa dalawang free throw. Number 13, Tumera. Good shot. Ang score 5-4. Labangan 5. Napur. Oh, number 9. Pass number 18. Tumera number 18. Good shot. Oh, 29 sa dark dribble. 29. Dribble. Oh, pass to number 77. Tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Rebound number 18. Number 18 dribble. Pass to number 9. Loparan. Oh, number 15. Pass to number 12. Tumira. Not good. Babalik ang bola sa kanya. Oh, pass to number 9. Tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Rebound number 9 sa dark. Dark dribble. Pass to number 9. Tumira.
Bukas. Oh. Pero balik na lang sa alas 2. Buksan ko lang alauna. Alas 2, alauna bukas. Buksan ko lang ng alauna. Babuksan ko na ang alauna para maaga.
Bola sa Light.
Simba pa kami. Oh, sige. Bukas.
Oh, number 9 dribble.
Dasal mo lang ako. Pagdasal mo lang ako, sali mo sa
Number
dasal.
2. Tumera number 2. At Sogo.
Ikaw mong recruit mo player
Ang
ha.
score dito.
Sabi ko sa'yo Mark, ikaw pala Mark.
Labangan.
Sabi mo ikaw daw eh. Nag-recruit.
Oh, number 9.
Di okay lang.
26. Oh.
Okay, bye.
Bola sa Light.
Oh. Sige.
Out na. Oh, number 7 out. Number 18. Pass number 18. Number 9, tumira ng 3 points. Not good.
Sap na yan, sap!
Bonus
Yan, wala
number-
pang sap eh. Wala pang sap.
Number 9 sa dark dribble. 29,
Ha?
dribble.
Dito na. Ano dito?
Pass to number 77. 27. Fouled. Mayroong foul.
Okay na.
Ay, sikat din foul ng 9.
Okay.
Mayroon bonus throw. Goal shot. Ang score 7-11. Number 7, dribble. Pass to number 12. Number 12, pass 7. Pass to number 18. Number 18, Tomera. Oh, last touch ang number 18.
Wala yung mga siya. Rigon eh. Raymond? Oo.
Wala sa dark. Number 13, dribble. Number 29. 29. Full pass to number 13. Tomera. Not good. Rebounds number 8. Hold is number 30. Pass to 29. Tomera ng 29. Good shot. Ang score 9-11. Nawa na lang ang lamang sa line. Number 7 dribble. Pass number 18. Number 18 dribble. Number 12, pass to number 18, Tomera, not good. Rebound, number 15, pass to 29, Olis number 18, sa light. Number 18, dribble. Oh, kick ball. Asa, dark. Oh, 39 dribble. 36 net. 77, pass to number 36. Pass to number 13, dribble. 36, dribble. Volley sa 7, walang tao, sinong kalaban mo? Wala pa na pasok! Oh, number 9, dribble, Salar. Number 9, dribble, pass to number 6, Tomera na 3 points, not good, rebound number 12, number 7, dribble sa line, pass number 9, number 18, ang ganda, number 9, dribble to, goal check, number 9 sa line, dribble. Number 15, Tomera. Rebound number 18. Oh.
Last shot, 20 seconds.
Oh. Ganda. Oh, 29 si Dark Ribble. Tomera na naman. Rebound number 18. Nandun number 9. Wow! Oh, huli na score. Pass to number 18. Number 13 dribble. Pass to number 29. Tomera. Oh, nice. Ganda. Nice ball naman. Mayroon foul. Number 29. Oh, mayroong free throw. First foul, number 29 sa Dar. First throw by number 18 sa line. Not good. Last throw, rebound. Good shot. Ang score, 16-15. Isa lang. Ang pasok. Oh, number 9 sa Dark Ribbon. Pass to number 36. Back to number 9. Number 9 Ribbon, Tomira. Not good. Rebound. Oh, number 9. Nahuli number 9. Not good. Not good. Ahusugo. And then 15 ang score. Laban ka naman ang live.
Magandang laban.
29 Ribbon sa Dark. 13 Ohuli. Okay. Grabe naman ang buinas naman ni Pari eh. Number 18, mayroon pa? Second foul ang Dark.
2 fouls, number 9.
2 fouls, number 9 sa Dark. First throw. Good. Oh, last throw. One point. 19-15 ang score. Laban naman. Apat. Oh, 13. 13. Pass to number 9. Number 9 dribble. Back to number 77. Tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Rebound number 12. Number 9. Dribble. Number. Tumira ng 3 points. Not good. Balik naman sa bola sa kanya. Number 18. Tumira. Good shot. Good point. Time out ang third. Oh, Dark. First time out.
Okay. Sa lang.
Bola sa Dark. Oh, number 9. Dribble sa Dark. 36. Dribble. 29. Sa Dark dribble. Dribble. 13. 36. Rebound. 77. 36. Goal shot. 36, 2 points. Dark. Number 10 sa line dribble. Pass. Oh, huli. Ipasa kalaban. 13 dribble. Through. Goal shot. Number 13. 21-19 ang score. Number 10 sa line dribble. Pass to number 18. Crazy competition.
Minsan, pagpapasensyahan natin ang pipili. Malabo ang mata.
Sa Dark Dribble.
Nag-advise ko na yan, magpunta sa Stick Center. Saan ko magpunta? Matigas ang ulo.
29. Dribble. Pass to number 9. Take 77. Pass to number. Tomira. Not good. Rebounds number 18. Oh, lakas na naman. Ang score 21-19. Labaw ang line. Sa Dark Dribble.
Ito, delikado ito eh. Ito, delikado to.
Pasa sa 36. 36 dribble. Wow! Tie score na naman.
Denison 2 points. Score 21 apiece. Denison
36.
winning the ball.
36 dribble.
Lays out 2 points. Lamang na po.
Dalawa ang third.
Ayan na, Dart. Nag-iinit na.
Mayroong foul.
Number 13.
Blocking foul. Number
Blocking foul. First foul, Martinez.
Bye. Bye, di halata pa.
13 foul.
Napasobra.
First through by number 15 sa line. Last throw. Miss na naman. Good shot by number 15. Nice score na naman.
Make follow-up, 2 points. Three all.
Nine dribble. Pass to number. Wala.
2 points.
Naman 2 points. Number 9 dribble sa dark.
Lanthorn Eagle regains the lead.
9 pass to number. Oh, jumping horn.
Nadeling violation.
Bola sa live.
Bola, Mon. Mon, bola.
Number 9 sa all slide dribble. Not good. Good shot.
2 points. Nelson.
Number 12. 2 points by live.
40 seconds.
Number 9 dribble sa dark. Dribble. Number 13. 3 points. Wala naman. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Lahat pa rin. Good shot. 25-27 ang score. Labang alay. For point ni number 18 sa line. Ang score 29-25.
Ah.
Kung din siya gipuli ni ko ni
Sabi ng coach, walang kumpiyansa.
Yeah.
nakapito naman sa
Ayan,
game bisan pag
kumpiyansa kayo.
Alam mo ka.
77
ha
Alam mo
sa
ka.
dark.
so pwede ra
Dili ko mo yung pwede ra pero alam mo ka.
Treble.
Inyo yun. Mamalit na.
Wala pa. Next season pa. Ako nagingnan si
Wala pa rin.
Ako nagingnan si Ha?
Palit pa ka.
Huwag na magsalita. Taya mo na lang.
oh so sinabihan namin diyan si sino pangalan nun? Si
What?
Kenneth pa
Number 9.
Alam mo.
eh bisan pa uwan di mo siya kumplito kaya po
29, pass to number 9. Number 9, back to 29. 29. Okay. Nice. Oh, ang score, 35. 25, lalayo.
Lumalayo na ang Cranberry Eagles.
Good shot. 27-35. Labangan live. 35. Not good. Rebound 9. Dribble number 9. Tomera. Pass. God. Hindi na huli. Hindi lang kasi. Number 12. Rebound sa live. Good. Tomera. Good. That's it. Oh.
Bon!
Anda. Wala pa rin.
Tama out, Mon! Diba, tama out mo?
Offensive foul, number 77.
Number 77. Offensive
First foul, number 77.
Number 10, sa live dribble, pass to number 9. Tomera na 3 points. Wala pa rin. Always number 15. Number 10, back to number 10. Pass to number 10, number 10. Oh, uy, sa kanya pa rin mula. Tomera, not good. Rebound pa din. Number 12, Tomera. Oh, foul ang number.
Number 9.
Personal foul. No, okay.
Rebound, Henson.
Oh, may free throw, dalawa.
Nelson is line. First shot, miss.
No, bakit ganyan? Ang free throw mo. Oh, last throw.
Wala pa rin.
Oh, mayroong foul.
Number 18.
Number 18.
Substitution.
Sa grip.
First foul, early.
First personal foul, number 18 sa live.
Number 12 out. Playing coach in. Eh, ito na kami. Walang kumpiyansa.
Number 10. Sa live dribble. Pass to number 18. Number 18, drip. Good shot.
Early, 2 points.
Yung sa CFC.
37-27 ang score.
Nano kaya?
Oh, champa.
Wala na, lumalayo na ang Cranborn Eagles. Sorry na.
Balik ka na ba dito?
Pass to
Bumalik ka na
number
dito?
6. Tomera
Bumalik ka na
ng
dito?
point. Not good.
Silog pa rin?
Nandun. 36. Not good naman. Eten. Eten, foul.
Number 18.
Second foul, number 18.
2 fouls early.
Bola sa light.
Anong tawag rin? Anong tawag?
Racing. I think ball.
Violation. Dapat kasi ang foul doon sa playing coach. Hindi mo nakita.
Oh, number 10. Sa light dribble. Pass to number 18. Tomera naman. Good shot.
PRO.
Sino?
Ikaw.
Mo?
Dalawa kami. Dalawa tayo.
39-27 naman ang score. Nagkalayo. Parang Cranbornese.
I-open ko yung ano eh.
Whis. Oh, 29. Dark. Pass to number 77. Oh, mayroong foul.
First foul.
18!
18.
Number 18.
Third personal foul. 15. Number 15. First personal foul.
2 fouls next.
18!
Now, 18. 13. Third personal foul, number 18. 2 points. Ang score, 29-39. Number 10 dribble. 10 dribble. Oh! Idol! Idol!
Pwede na ako umuwi. Close na.
Dalawang bola, isa na pasok. Oh, number 9, dribble. Oh, takal rin. 13, Tumira. Not good. Number 10 na naman. Yang. Ang score, 23-29.
Grabe talaga ito, number 7 ng Franklin Eagles. Oh, ano pa? Wala ka. Hindi na kailangan tumalon.
May foul.
Number 9.
Warning.
4 fouls, number 9.
Tapos ng oras, mayroon free throw. Good shot. Last throw. Good shot. Third din sa black ball. Pass to 27, tumira ng 3 points. Not good, rebound sa number 18. Slide. Bola slide. Travel in violation. Merong foul. Traveling.
Dalawang half step.
Number 10 sa live dribble. May shot clock na tayo ha. Walang nagawa. Goal! Kung hindi mo pa sinabihan walang nagawa, walang na 3 points. Pinakita mo si Idol ha. Thirteen. Number 10.
Mami, ausap.
Ganda. Firme, steady ko no, firme. Number 9, dribble. Pass to number 29. Dribble, pass to 27. Oh, simple.
7 second shot clock.
Number
Foul.
9. 9.
Number 9.
Grabe.
5 fouls. Number 9. 36.
Out of the league.
2 foul games.
2 fouls yan. 36.
Denison 2 fouls.
Out, Idol. Wala na, isa lang, 3 points. Out ka dyan.
Tagilid, tagilid. Tagilid.
Line ball.
Tagilid, taas kulang.
Crossover ball. Pass break. Agoy! Pass, miss. Oh, simple. Black ball. Last touch, Medel. Nelson, 2 points. What a pass. Nelson, 2 points again. Alana, slowly away. Cranbourne Eagles. Champ, 2 points. Eman dribbling the ball. Number 13. Martinez, 3 fouls. Intercepted by Chan. Two points, Mr. Chan. Raymond, 3 points. Oh, yo. Good. Martinez for 2. Coach, pasok na, coach. Sub tayo, ha? Wala na. Kira Eman, 3 points.
Pumawi na, pumawi.
Sab tayo, ha? Sab. O, sab.
Play on, play on.
Sa kundi naman yung magsasabat, dapat pwede.
Hindi pwede. Pause and play.
Ines, rebound, pass to Denison. Denison dribbling the ball, harassed by Manil. Denison! Yo, pwede na, ayos na. Push powder. Oh, this time, number 9. Number 9, 5 fouls.
Kill.
Balik na si playing coach.
Michael.
Running time na tayo, ha? More than 20 points ang lamang.
Ulit. Ah, wala.
Del Dio for 3. Yes! Woo!
Oh, 20 na lang.
Rainbow. Miss. Rebound, Nelson. All the way. Oh, miss.
Tres.
Nelson. Pass to Nate. Nate's up, miss. Rebound again. Nelson for 2. $55 seconds. Del Dino again, 3 points. $40 seconds. Coach. Wow!
Sabi mo, Jun eh! Jun! Sabi mo kasi tirahin!
Grabe talaga ito si playing coach. Sige, pwede pa. Ayun na, coach. Ganun kay coach. Woo! Denison for 3. Miss. Kay coach.
Ba't pinaglaro yung isa?
Okay, that's it. Final score, 64-43.
Pero?
Grand Martinios, once again.
Kuya, pre. Tanim